Hey there YouTube. Today I thought I'd just share a quick tip for if you don't have a wheel on your bobbin winder. I realize this is probably only an issue I have, because if you've watched my other videos about my Singer 111 W101, you know I got it for 40 bucks, so I got a pretty good deal on it. And these are only like 15 or 20 bucks on eBay, so I should probably just buy one at some point, but I haven't yet, and mostly because this has just worked out really well for me and I don't do enough sewing at this point to justify the extra cost. But just take your drill, alright, then once you've got your drill chucked up to your bobbin winder, just hold on to your string and wind your bobbin. So if you found this tip helpful or informative, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.